safe, orderly flow of air traffic depends on reliable and accurate air navigation procedures, no matter what the weather, no matter how challenging the terrain. Air travel has increased exponentially in recent years and is forecast to double in the next 15 years. As the number of aircraft and flights increases, the greater the need for predictable flight paths and a higher level of navigation accuracy to improve safety, efficiency, and airspace capacity. Fortunately, technology has dramatically improved the global aviation community's ability to manage increasing air traffic, both from the ground and in the air. The advent of global navigation satellite systems, or GNSS, has led to a significant increase in the aircraft's ability to fly to more precise navigation standards. In 2008, Icao introduced the concept of Performance-Based Navigation, or PBN. PBN incorporates area navigation, or RNAV, and required navigation performance, or RNP, to provide safer, more efficient air navigation routes and approach procedures to meet the near-term, mid-term, and long-term needs of aviation going forward. PBN has already demonstrated concrete benefits in terms of safety through straight-in procedures with vertical guidance, increased airport accessibility, reduced infrastructure operating costs, increased airspace capacity, improved and more flexible use of terminal airspace for both arrivals and departures, user-preferred routing, avoidance of noise-sensitive areas, and, most important, reduced fuel burn and CO2 emissions. Until PBN was introduced, RNAV and RNP procedures were being applied inconsistently from one country to another and from one region to another. There was no central focus or control. The need for standardization and overarching provisions was obvious. Icao was ideally placed to build a framework for better air traffic management using PBN. Today, there are PBN implementation plans in 109 states covering 60% of the world's international runways. Penetration is greatest in the North America region at over 96%. However, a great deal remains left to be done to achieve global PBN implementation targets. What does PBN mean for the global aviation community? It can mean 1 to 2% reduced fuel burn per flight. The savings for airlines are obvious. Just a 1% reduction in fuel burn results in an annual saving of $600 million for the air transportation industry. In terms of CO2 emissions, every 1% improvement in fuel efficiency amounts to 1.2 million fewer tons of carbon dioxide emitted into the atmosphere. This is the equivalent of taking approximately 300,000 vehicles off the road. With air traffic increasing at such a dramatic pace, the need to make air navigation systems more efficient is obvious. PBN is one major way that world aviation can reduce its carbon footprint. To do so, PBN must become an urgent priority in every region and in every country. Icao has made PBN implementation the #1 air navigation priority because of the safety, efficiency, capacity, and environmental benefits it affords, and because it is a key enabler to many aviation system block upgrade elements. To learn more about Icao's role in PBN, visit icao.int/PBN. PBN implementation products and services available through Icao include PBN courses, PBN publications and bundles, PBN symposia and workshops, implementation assistance, planning, and financial aid, and the new Icao Pbn app, available through the Android and iPhone app stores. Icao can help tailor a PBN implementation solution to meet your needs.